How to edit messages on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to edit messages on Instagram. So in order to edit messages on Instagram, first thing first, update your application and log in into your Instagram account. So unfortunately, there's no such direct way of editing or making changes with the message. However, what you can do is you can simply unsend the first message and resend it the other one. So I'll be showing you how you can do it. So for that, go to the DMs page. Here you can see, open up the particular chat page to whom you actually want to do it. Now type in the particular message that you wish to send it to the particular contact. As you can see, this is the one. So if you have made mistake, then if you long press on it before the user see the message, you can simply unsend it and you can type in the new one and send it again. So this way you can make changes or edit messages on Instagram. Apart from it, there's no other way to edit your messages on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.